So guys, this is gigabyte.com officially website. Okay, you can see here. First come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see right side the search options. Then you can type your model number, which is B860M AORUS Pro Wi-Fi 7, and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click to title. Click to support. Then selecting your operating system, Windows 10 and 11, which one. Okay, so I am using Windows 11. So if you are use Windows 10, so installations process same, you can see in this video and you can install easily. Okay, same method. VGA, just click to download. It is downloading, wait few minutes. Then guys, graphic card driver downloaded, VGA driver, just double click to exe. Now this is copy and extract. After that, install. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to data. Now this is installing VGA driver. Then it is close means done.